my channel. I know it's been a few weeks, but honestly I've been filming and I haven't really been liking the videos that I made, so I did not post them. I actually just erased them. And I don't know, I was like, Halloween's coming up, so I should probably do a look. I know it's a bit early, but it's never too early for Halloween. And I was thinking about doing like a comic book girl slash Barbie, no, just a comic book girl, I guess. And the first few steps are to look for the picture that you want to recreate. This will really help you so that you can achieve the most similar look to what you want to look. If not, you can just look at pictures for inspiration. I picked these 3 pictures right here. That's the first one.
And then it's this one right here. And then it's this one. And then it's this one.
I'm going to be using those along the way so that it can come out as similar as I can. I hope it comes out, I don't know, we'll try. If you want to recreate this look, just keep on watching. The first step that I'm going to do is contour really heavily with the LA Colors contour palette, and I'm going to be using this one right over here. I like this brown because it's a cooler brown instead of a warmer brown. What I mean is, if you see these other brownsy colors, they're more in the warm side because they have like that reddish orange tone, but this one has more of like the bluish tone, which makes it a cooler tone. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using that to contour, and I want to contour really heavily because I'm going to be doing the black paint on top of that contour. It's not going to be as thick as the contour, but it's going to be it's not going to be as thick as the contour, but it is going to be, wherever I place this, so everywhere I put the bronzer is where I'm going to be putting the black paint to make it look like that comic effect. And I want to contour and browns really heavily. Ugh, I suck at it. Now I'm gonna go to the black paint. This is the Cream Makeup. It's washable. I bought this at Walmart for 98 cents. Ouch. I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand. Whoa. And I'm gonna start. I'm going to try to do the lines as straight as I can. Hopefully I can achieve that because I suck at eyeliner, so I don't know, I suck at making lines. But I'm gonna put my hair back. I went heavy on that freaking contour. I should probably try to blend it a little more. If the line is too thick like that, just let it dry and then you can fix it with foundation. The way you would clean up your eyebrows, you'll just clean up the line. eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm going to start off with Cocoa Truffle right here. Now I'm going to be using New Money right here, and I'm going to cut the crease, with that. Now I'm going to create a fake crease with eyeliner. I'm going to be using the H2O Proof Wet n Wild black eyeliner. And I'm basically going to be putting that everywhere where the pink is on the edge. And now I'm going to do a really thick eyeliner. This is where it probably gets messy, and just pray for me, please. No, I'm not. I'm scared. Now I'm going to try to take this off. And now I'm going to use the eyeliner so that it can be thinner right on this other side. Now I want to make my eyebrows darker, so I'm going to use the eyeliner again. And I want to add something like this so that I look upset. I'm gonna do my lips with this True Matte. It's Nikuk, New York. I think I bought this like at a BB Fashion or something like that. So I'm going to put this on my lips, and I want them really big because I have really small lips. So because I am gonna outline it with the black eyeliner, I could just go in with a lot of, you'll see what I mean. Now I'm going to put like little wrinkles right here. And now I'm going to outline my lip. I'm gonna put my tongue on the bottom of my lip, just so I'm going to put my tongue on the bottom of my lip like this to make the line go smoother. And now the Cupid's bow, is that what this is called? I think so. I'm gonna outline that too. And now with my eyes, I do want to make them a little bit longer on the inner corner, so I'm going to use my eyeliner to do that. And now with the e.l.f. white liner, I'm going to put that inside of my waterline. I'm gonna grab have this white paint and I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit. On my chin, I'm gonna do that little crease like this. Now I'm gonna put the highlight of like the little glossy on the lips, you know, and I'm gonna be using the white paint. To draw the tear, I'm just gonna make like a teardrop. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in blue. And now I'm going to draw like 2 lines like this to like create my neck. I'm not sure. Just like that. I'm also going to be doing my bones right here. And why not? Let's even do boobs. Okay, I should have probably not done that. I look so funny. Oh god. What else can I do? Should I draw the dots or do you guys think this is okay? I don't know. I think I'm gonna take a few pictures like this. I think I'm gonna take a few pictures like this and then I'll draw the dots after. But, ooh, should I put on my pink wig too? I don't know, should I? I think it would look kind of good, but all right, let's see. Whew. Exposing too much. I'm going to be drawing the dots. If you want to stop here, you can, but I want to see what it's gonna look like with the dots, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And because I do want it to look a little bit more with dimension, I'm gonna use like a smaller circle and then this thicker circle. So let's get started with that. I'm gonna be using a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Alright guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys would want to watch next and what other Halloween look you guys would want to see. I love Halloween, and yeah, just make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and thank you guys so much for watching.